It's a very unique program in many ways. It combines a traditional academic Department of Psychology at San Diego State University with a research-oriented academic medical center Department of Psychiatry at UC San Diego.
That unique structure of our program really provides opportunities for students to get exposure to and training in many different types of settings in which they might work in their careers.
We recognized that there was clearly a need to train doctoral students at the PhD level in clinical psychology, so they truly could be leaders and developers of knowledge.
Bringing a medical school in with a psychology department allowed thinking about brain sciences as they apply to clinical psychology, behavioral medicine, and bringing together people from various kinds of medical specialties.
We came a long way in not that long a period of time, and it's because of the unique nature of the program and the wonderful students that we have.
There are many faculty on both sides, and it's a collaborative environment. I was mentored by Igor Grant and David Moore, but I also had opportunity to interact with faculty at both institutions.
Being able to be taught by leaders in their fields, people who really care about the work that they're doing, the cutting-edge researchers, and then at the same time have them be invested in you as a student, I think that's been super important and has given me a lot of skills.
Our students publish on average about a dozen scientific articles by the time they get through the program, which is just amazing.
And then also they're starting in their second year are really engaged in clinical training as well. They started the practicum at the SDSU psychology clinic, and then after their second year, they're in many different sites with our partnered institutions, including the VA, Rady Children's Hospital, and UC San Diego Health, and then also at SDSU as well.
Some of the institutes that we partner with and that are often led by our faculty serve a variety of populations, including some very underserved populations. And our students have the opportunity to train in and work directly with the communities in San Diego.
I have had the opportunity to work with a variety of different populations in different settings, work with partial inpatient hospitalization programs as well as outpatient psychiatry. I get to work with Spanish-speaking parents and their kids and deliver an intervention that is tailored for them to increase access to services.
Our alumni and our graduates are conducting cutting-edge research and clinical training and clinical development, but they're also mentoring the next generation of scientists and clinicians and leaders in the field.
I was someone who actually thought about leaving academia, and kind of what kept me here was the mentorship. That you truly do have other faculty members at both institutions who want to be supportive of the research that you're doing, who want to be supportive of your educational and mentorship activities.
Reflecting on the last 5 years, I feel like I've learned a lot about being somebody who's embedded in research, about being a woman, a first generation, and a person of color in research, and how important it is to navigate those spaces. And I've just been equipped with so many important research methodologies and critical approaches, as well as really important applied clinical experiences that I think have really complemented my training, and so I feel very prepared for the next steps and for all the adventures that are yet to come.
We train some of the most wonderful students imaginable, and they are the future leaders of the field, and I'm hoping the program can continue its very proud tradition of contributing to the field in that way.